In a highly anticipated decision, the Supreme Court has dealt a significant blow to the Trump administration's attempts to freeze billions in foreign aid. The ruling, issued on Wednesday, saw a divided court reject the administration's appeal, paving the way for the unfreezing of funds already approved by Congress. With a narrow 5-4 decision, the court cleared the path for lower courts to potentially compel the release of the aid, although the exact timeline remains unclear. The case centers around a series of moves made by the Trump administration to halt foreign aid funding, particularly from the State Department and USAID, in an effort to tighten control over government spending. The funds, intended for global health and various international programs, have been frozen for months, severely impacting nonprofit groups that rely on these resources to save lives and address global challenges like disease and instability. Several organizations, including the AIDS Vaccine Advocacy Coalition and the Global Health Council, have taken legal action, arguing that Trump's freeze not only undermines Congress's power over spending, but also hinders crucial international aid. Despite the administration's defense that it was working to review and allocate the funds, the court's majority emphasized the need for compliance with an earlier deadline set by a lower court. In a strongly worded dissent, Justice Alito criticized the decision, calling it an overreach by the judiciary, further deepening the ideological divide within the court. The Trump administration had previously attempted to terminate a substantial portion of USAID's foreign aid awards, revealing that nearly 90% of them had been cut. The freeze has led to widespread disruption in aid programs across the globe, and has even led to the furlough of many USAID employees. The ruling now places additional pressure on the White House to comply with the court's order and unfreeze the vital funds. Democrats have hailed the decision as a victory for the rule of law, underscoring that Congress has the ultimate authority over appropriations, not the executive branch. Representative Gregory Meeks and others celebrated the court's action, emphasizing the importance of fulfilling commitments made to global health and development. However, questions remain about whether the administration will comply with the court's ruling or continue to delay the release of these essential funds. As this legal battle continues to unfold, it raises significant questions about the balance of power between the executive and legislative branches, especially when it comes to the allocation of foreign aid. Stay tuned as we follow this developing story to see how it shapes future court decisions and government policy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on this and other crucial legal matters.